I tried XPortal wallet app for 7 days. Here's the shocking truth. When I first downloaded the XPortal wallet app, I thought it was just another flashy crypto wallet. But after using it for 7 full days, the shocking truth is that XPortal is far more than that. It's an entire digital lifestyle platform disguised as a wallet. On day 1, I created my account and immediately noticed how sleek and interactive the interface felt. Unlike most crypto apps, XPortal looks like a social network complete with avatars, friends, and messages. But behind the fun design lies some serious tech. By day 2, I explored its wallet functions. It supports the multiverse ecosystem, including EGLD and various tokens. Sending and receiving funds was instant, with near zero fees and real-time confirmations. Most people underestimate how powerful that is, especially compared to traditional wallets that lag during peak hours. Midweek, I discovered its built-in finance tools. The Portal does just let you store crypto. You can stake tokens, track your portfolio, and even access global payments. The integration with Multiverse's DeFi ecosystem makes it a one-stop hub for digital assets. By day 5, I started playing with its avatar system and NFT features. The app blends finance and identity in a way that's actually fun. You can customize your profile, earn rewards, and interact with the community all within the same ecosystem. After 7 days, the shocking truth became clear. XPortal isn't trying to be just another crypto wallet. It's redefining what a digital wallet can be, merging money, identity, and the metaverse into one smooth experience. If you're looking for a wallet that's not just secure but actually exciting to use, XPortal is worth trying. It shows that the future of finance isn't cold or complicated. It's connected, social, and surprisingly human.